Welcome back. My name is Theresa and I'm very much aggressive hands. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth where sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, feel free to exit the video here. No harm, no foul, but I will remember our time fondly. We have another Glossybox unboxing. I love filming these videos because one, I get to act really silly and I get to slam stuff on a table. If you do not know what Glossybox is, Cynthia, let me tell you all about them.
Glossybox is the perfect beauty surprise for friends, loved ones, and even yourself. For $21 per month, you'll get a beautifully wrapped box containing 5 deluxe-sized beauty products delivered directly to your doorstep.
First and foremost, I want to say thank you so much to Glossybox for sending this my way. Thank you, I appreciate it. I love your little adorable face. That said, this little self-care treat every month that's delivered straight to your door can either come in a 1, 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. However, for you beautiful, wonderful people, I do have an affiliate code with them, so you can get your first box for $1 on a 12-month subscription if you use the code Theresa1. Again, you can get your first box for $1 on a 12-month subscription. So if you've ever been interested, check it out. That said, let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, not gonna lie, tad bit disappointed already. And I say that because I think last month's box was so nice. And now we're back to this pink box. First world problems, I know. So once you open it up, ooh, Glossybox, bitch, you're 10? This is a birthday box, y'all. So let's open it slowly and sensually. You like that? Me too. Here's the little pamphlet that you get. Contains all the products, all the bloopity blop blop. And yeah, oh my God, it's your 10th birthday. And we have a lot of pubes in this box, so hold please. Okay, so here are this month's products. So let's just jump right into it. Ooh, what the hell is this thing? The first one's from Cab Cosmetics. Cab Cosmetics, why does that sound familiar? Oh my God, is this, is this the fucking Real Housewives? I think this is the fucking Real Housewives. I think this is Kim Zolciak or whatever the fuck her name is. Oh my God. We have a Bravo celebrity upon us, y'all. This is fucking exciting. If you don't know, I am a huge Housewives fan. Like huge. And I love Atlanta. I love them so fucking much. Right now I'm actually watching old episodes of Beverly Hills because I kind of stopped watching for like 2 years. So I was like, you know what, let me start from the beginning. It's amazing. It's fucking amazing. I started with New Jersey. This is what I've been doing during my quarantine time, by the way. I watch everything of New Jersey, loved it. And now I'm in Beverly Hills. And of course, I'm also watching the new season 2, which is, bitch, it's spicy. After I'm done with this one, I think I'm gonna go to Atlanta because there are some fucking gems in Atlanta. And that said, I am so excited to get this. I don't even give a shit if it's good or not. This is just fucking hilarious. Okay, so this is a lip oil. I like the doe foot. The doe foot's pretty badass. It's fucking huge. And honestly, I love lip oils. I have notoriously dry lips, and so I look for anything that will just always keep my ass hydrated. So this guy is actually a full-size product. It retails for $20, and this is the Juicy Melon Lip Oil. It smells nice. I mean, from the little bit that I can smell, it smells pretty fresh, so this is pretty cool. There's no time for chapped lips or messy, sticky gloss. This non-sticky lip oil will give your lips an instant burst of hydration. Hold on, let's fucking try this. Oh, that's nice. Okay. I like this. I'm gonna put this by my workstation since I'm working from home because I'm gonna be utilizing the shit out of this. I really enjoyed this. We're off to a good start, fucking Glossybox. Good job, babe. The next thing we got, oh bitch, I love this. This is really good today. Oh my God, okay. Glow Recipe is fantastic. I fucking love their serums, their cleansers, their bloopity blop blop. I love them. So this is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I have to thank my good friend. He actually recommended me to try this product many years ago. I fell in love with it, and since then this has always been in my shower as one of the fucking 600 products that live in my shower. I love this, and I'm super excited. I'm actually gonna take this away with me because as you're watching this, I'm gonna be in New Jersey for 2 days because Mama needs a break. Mama needs to rest her little fucking mitts, okay? And I was trying to figure out which cleanser to take. I'm just gonna take this guy. This is a deluxe mini that retails for $10. The full size is 34 bucks. And what I like about this cleanser is that it doesn't strip my skin. It makes my skin feel very, very hydrated and also feel very, very clean. I don't like when cleansers either strip my skin or just don't make me feel clean. This one does a really fantastic job of just loving my adorable little face. So I'm fucking excited about this, and I'm really happy with this month's box. Oh my God, do you hear the excitement in my voice? Holy shit, y'all. Okay. Also doesn't help. I'm drinking an iced coffee, so I have a lot of energy. So the next product is from Elemis, and this is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I have received this before in a subscription box. I've tried it and I've actually enjoyed it. So I'm very happy to be receiving another one of these. This is a deluxe mini, retails for $45. I don't know if it's like $45 worth good, but it's fucking solid. But anyway, if you want the full size, it's $128. Holy shit, what the fuck is in this? Gold? There's a lot of words that I can't pronounce. But anyway, this is like an anti-aging formula that's clinically proven to improve hydration, reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and bloopity blop blop. I really enjoyed this. I've tried this a couple of times. Like I said previously, I got this product through one of these subscription boxes and actually have enjoyed it. So yeah, wow. I'm actually pleasantly fucking surprised that we have 3 products so far that I like. Are the tides turning? I think the tides are turning, y'all. Holy shit, this is great. So the next thing, what the fuck is this? This is from the brand Hask. This little packet is worth $2.99. And this is the Keratin Smoothing Deep Conditioner. Infused with hydrolyzed keratin to reduce frizz and block humidity, this conditioner gently smooths and detangles, leaving even the most unruly hair soft and revitalized with incredible shine. Perfect for that hot, humid August air. Okay, we're gonna try it. I'll give it a whirl, let you know how it works out. But yeah, shit, my hair is dry as fuck, so we always love something that's deep conditioning. All right, I'm not mad about this. Wow. Wow. All right, let's keep going. So the next product is from, I believe it's called Cetaphil or Cetaphil. Cetaphil? Cetaphil. I don't know. Phil? This is a full size. This is a sheer hydration replenishing body lotion. This nourishing lightweight formula intensely replenishes skin's hydration for 48 hours. It features the hydrosensitive complex, which deepens dynamic hydration and smooths skin sensitivity. The hyaluronic acid, sunflower seed oil, vitamin B, vitamin E help hydrate skin. Okay, so this guy retails for about $9.99. I hate when it, oh yeah, okay. Okay, this feels nice. I feel like this is something that I am going to utilize immediately when I get out of the shower because I'm running low on my CBD creams and those bitches are expensive. Oh, this smells pleasant. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells pleasant and we like that. I also like that it doesn't feel greasy. Okay, not mad about this. And my skin looks pretty hydrated. This is a good box. What? Okay, last but not least. Oh, we had to ruin it with this. Okay, so this is the Invisibobble. This is a full-size product, retails for $8. I don't like these little hair ties. These are terrible in my hair because it always gets caught up in shit. This slim, elegant sister to the original Invisibobble is a perfect foundation for a party updo. That is so stupid. This ponytail holder makes for an easy, cute, and safe way to tile and style your hair. It gently holds your hair in place without breaking or damaging it. That's bullshit because it doesn't do that. It actually ripped hair out of my head when I had it. Also kind of reminds me of a fucking telephone wire a little bit, which in hindsight I probably could have just used a telephone wire. You know, I would have to get back in the fucking time machine and find one, but whatever. I could find it. I don't like these. I have been since converted to silk. I sound like such an asshole when I say that. There's a brand called Slip. They're fabulous, they're wonderful, they're fantastic. Highly recommend checking them out, especially if you're looking for a really good hair tie that doesn't leave that stupid dent in your hair and it doesn't rip your hair out. I know, again, I sound like an asshole. I feel like an asshole, but it's perfect. This is a big old miss for me. But you know what though? I'm not that fucking mad about it at the end of the day because we got some good shit in this box. So that is the last thing. So let's go over everything here. You know, for their 10th birthday box, this is pretty fucking good. Like the Elemis, love the glow recipe, love the fucking lip oil. I'm intrigued to try. This feels really nice on my skin, so this will be great to use in the future. This is the only thing that was kind of the dud in the box. So we'll just throw that shit over there and just forget that it even existed. I have to say, I am pleasantly motherfucking surprised. This was a great box. If they keep this fucking energy, sky's the limit, bitch. I I love it. This is fucking great. Wow, Glossybox, you really turned it up for your birthday. Happy birthday, bitch. I am so fucking excited for you. You're still a little too young, so we can't go get a drink, but I can bring you a cupcake in the shape of a fucking Minecraft. Shaped in a Minecraft. The fuck does that even mean? Wow, I sound really old when I said that, didn't I? Oh my God. Get you a cupcake in the shape of your favorite Minecraft character? Does that sound better? I feel like that sounds even worse. Might as well say Pokemon at the end of this. I gotta fucking go lay down. Again, I wanna say thank you so much to Glossybox for sending this my way. I love your adorable little delicious face. And you fucking knocked it out of the park, sister. You really did. You delivered. You delivered. That said, if you are interested in ever checking out this subscription, I do have a code. You can get your first box for $1 and a 12-month subscription if you use the code Theresa1. Again, it's an affiliate code, so I do get a small kickback if you do use it. Let me know if you got Glossybox, and let me know if you enjoyed any of these products. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really trashy, really filthy garbage boat afloat. Couldn't do it without you. I love your adorable little delicious faces, and I can't wait to gobble you all up. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, which it's actually not Hollow Taco. I know. Surprise, surprise. Everything will be listed in the description box below, along with where you can get my merch, my podcast, my palette, my bloopity blop blop. And I'll see you little suckling pigs later. Bye. You like that? Me too.